video is not intended for minors. This video is intended for adults 18 and above. Anything you see in this video, do not attempt or do not try at home without adult supervision if you are under the age of 18. If you're over the age of 18, still use caution and common sense. Thank you. The products you see in this video are not sponsored. They're products that I've bought myself and used and found them to be likable. So I'm sharing them with you in case you want to buy the product and use it yourself. Thank you.
Sige, ginat. Off it eh. I'm not touching no sitting in this video. Okay. I unhook it.
This one here's got a button that you push and you let off, it push it, it goes, let off, it goes. The other one's got a button you click and then it don't go off till you power it back down. So this one's good. And this here is a powerhouse. It's not one of those generic pieces of crap like you buy at Gasano or somewhere. This is actually good. You a bad man. But anyway, this one is a power craft bit. And this thing's cutting through this wood like hot knife through butter. I'm profiling my table.
Should do it here first so I can get it in.
And
okay,
when you're doing this, you have to make sure that your hand is on the left side and you go up. But when you get the back, you get close to the back as you can and then take it back a little bit. But you can't go back here and go up just to get the back. But when you're done with that, you take it up. I'm wearing these because this thing's
really loud.
It's loud. It's got a high pitch.
Watch wire. See, that's really nice right here. Really nice. So I like to do it. Okay, go. Very dusty. Push it here a little, there's a big space in here. Gosh, Mary.
What do you wear? Just a thing.
Wait lang, Lam. It's nice, Lam. I like it. I like that.
They got that big prop wheels, power craft.
Okay, that's why you what?
That's why you wear face mask and stuff, because if you get one little piece of this crap in your eyes and you're going around like this for about an hour and a half, because even though no matter how much you wash it out, it stays in there, it's not worth it. What's worth it is go ahead and...
So then, unhook it, Lam.
What's worth it is to go ahead and protect yourself to begin with, and we'll have to go through all that discomfort. But if anyone would like to sponsor my channel, I would gladly accept their sponsorship, and I would gladly do a review on any product or item that is sent to me. Again, thank you very much for watching the channel.